Carla Grace de la Gente Giganto, your Miss Multicultural World, Philippines 2026. I am a 23-year-old, born and raised from the city that never runs out of smile, and the home of the international champions, Granada, Bacolod City. I'm a registered nurse currently serving in a beautiful paradise of Coron, Palawan. And I am an advocate of the YAKA program, the Youth Awareness and Keeping Them Abreast for Progress, where we encourage young individuals to lead and serve in community initiatives like medical missions, sports activities, and we also have ecotourism campaigns to fulfill their talents and use their voices to create change in our society. Thank you!
Alright, so what made you decide to join Miss Multicultural 2026 pageant?
Actually, I thought my pageant journey, I thought it was close na. But yet, after joining Miss Universe Negros Island last year, I thought I'm not gonna have pageants anymore and just focus on my goals, my dreams, my responsibilities as a nurse, and of course, as a daughter of my mother with businesses na ako po yung nagmamanage. Yet, ngayon, lumapit po yung si Miss Cristel, our national director dito po sa Philippines, and nag-ask po siya if I'm available to this opportunity po ng Miss Multicultural World. And who am I to say no naman, syempre, because it is an opportunity na rin po para sa akin. And I'm beyond grateful for the people na nag-believe po sa akin, of course, sa family ko na nandito, sa inyo po na walang lubos po yung suporta sa akin. I'm beyond grateful po sa inyo. And of course, sa local director ko din po, sa Bacolod po na si Miss Kashmir Granada.
So, nung in-offer sa'yo yung title ng pageant, anong unang reaction?
Actually, I was, nagdadalawang isip pa po ako, to be honest. Kasi sabi ko nga, magpo-focus na sana ako sa work. Yet, ito nga, lumapit po mismo sa akin yung opportunity, and syempre, life has its way para mag-surprise sa atin. And grateful na po ako dun sa opportunity, and sino ba naman hindi na i-represent mo yung Philippines in an international stage. And that is why I'm here na, ready to bring pride para po sa ating country.
Of course, this is inaugural edition of Miss Multicultural Worldwide.
Yes, it's gonna be the
World.
first ever na
Yeah,
Miss
first
Multicultural World pa sa buong
Yes.
globe.
So, can you tell us about the pageant?
Okay, Miss Multicultural World po, it started way back in sa Vietnam po talaga siya. It was founded by the very most beautiful Miss Fan Kim Wok. And nag-start po siya sa Vietnam, and I think it's an LGU-supported pageant. And ayun po, they widened their pageant into globally. And now, it's gonna be the first and biggest na lang pageant po, yung Miss Multicultural. Sa Hanoi, Vietnam din po siya igaganap.
Do you have any idea kung ilan kayo maglalaban-laban?
I think we're gonna be 21, 22 candidates
22
po.
candidates.
Yes, around the globe po. Yes.
Ayun. So, for those who do not know you, of course, can you please give us 3 interesting facts about you or trivia na gusto mong i-share sa amin?
Actually, 3 interesting facts about me. I'm a risk taker. Una-una, I'm a risk taker. Pangalawa po, I'm a multitasker. I'm gonna have a little story about multitasker later. And of course, I'm an empowered woman. Risk taker po. You know what? I have this story back last year. Like, I was taking the board exam for the nursing. And syempre, aligaga po lahat ng mga batchmates ko, classmates ko, super review, super study. At ako, nandito ako, nagpa-pageant ako. Kasi kailangan ko supportahan yung sarili ko, financially. So that's why I entered the pageant world. Yun, nag-Miss Universe, NIR po ako, I was a candidate. And at the same time, I was reviewing for the board exam. And akala ko talaga hindi ako papasa ng board exam. Tapos akala ko rin hindi ako magkaka-title sa... Kasi magulo yung utak ko po noon. To be honest talaga, it's very hard to balance both worlds. And yet, thankfully, thank you lang talaga kay Lord na I was able to have a title. I was a runner-up, fourth runner-up of Miss Universe NIR po. And at the same time, I was a board passer. And now I am currently, I am currently working na rin sa Coron District Hospital po, sa Palawan. It is a beautiful place and I'm beyond grateful po talaga for the opportunity na makapag-work dito.
Of course, you're wearing Philippine sash. May big pressure ba sa'yo na first wearing Philippine sash? Ano naman natin na isa sa mga powerhouses yung ating yung Philippines in terms of pageantry.
Actually po, for me, I'm joining pageant not to compete. I joined pageant para sa experience, sa sisterhood, and I just want to showcase the ano po talaga the how beautiful our country and how beautiful where I was born, especially noon nag-join po ako sa Bacolod, doon sa Miss Universe. I was just showcasing how beautiful my place was. And also, hindi po talaga ako yung competitive type na kandidata. Ako po yung like, ano lang talaga, go with the flow na candidate na ang goal lang is the experience po. But if yun nga yung sabi sa akin na ano po, I'm very authentic daw sa sarili ko. Kasi hindi ako yung type na you know. Tapos, ayun po, naging ano ko na siya, characteristic ko na siya every pageant na sinasalihan ko is ano lang talaga, hindi ako nagko-compete.
And what culture of the Philippines are you most proud of? Or gusto mong i-showcase or gusto mong malaman ng mga co-candidates mo?
Yun po yung tinatawag nating bayanihan. Bayanihan is a communal spiritual unity po ng Philippines where people are helping each other without expecting anything in return. Like for example, noon, way back in the 1970s, where the people are carrying a house, di ba, noon? Carrying a house to move it into another location. So, gusto ko po yung i-showcase to the whole world na ang mga Pinoy ay nagtutulungan-tulungan na na hindi nag-think ng kapalit. Tapos, I think kailangan din yun ng world eh. Kasi I believe that progress isn't just individual po. Progress can be achieved when everyone is helping each other po.
Wait lang ha, wait lang.
Okay.
Ikat lang namin. Okay, so may wine lang siya dito. Paano nga ako ba? Yan. 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 And, Fergie, question.
Nagkakawa ka ng light.
Yeah. Yeah, siguro tell us something more about yourself. Aside from being a nurse, what do you do? What's your hobbies?
Actually, talking about myself, I'm just a simple woman po. I love to cook for my loved ones. And also, I am learning how to play instruments at the moment. Like for example, ano po ako ngayon ng ukulele. Kasi hindi ko po talaga kaya kumanta. Ayun lang po siya. And of course, hobbies ko, I love to travel. Nag-travel po ako like for the last few months. Before po kasi ako after ko mag-board exam, hindi po muna kasi ako nag-start mag-work. Bale, ginawa ko po yung time na yon na mag-travel po dito sa Pilipinas para i-learn din po yung different beliefs, traditions, and of course, yung mga talaga ng tao, iba't ibang culture ng tao. Kasi dito pa lang sa Pilipinas, madami na tayong kultura. Tapos, ayun, inaral ko po siya, pumunta po ako ng City Hall, pumunta ako ng Baguio, pumunta ako dito sa Venice, sa Taguig, tapos...
Makinig.
Opo. Tapos sa Coron, sa Palawan, sa Puerto. Tapos, yun po, na-learn ko po na ang dami po talagang kultura, madaming beliefs yung mga Pinoy. How much more po yung buong mundo. Kaya yun din po yung like, eager ako, curious ako na ma-learn sa pageant doon sa Vietnam with my sisters din. Kaya, yun po yung ko ngayon, yung focus ko ngayon sa
Tell us more about your pageant experience. When did you start? And ano yung last pageant na nasalihan mo?
My pageant journey started way back on, I was just 5 years old, I think. Kasi pinapasali na po ako ni Mother noon sa mga Little Miss San Dionisio, ganyan. Yun po yung sa purok pa lang namin I was just 5 years old. And then, hindi po ako umuwi na talo. And I'm very proud of that kasi, yun nga, lumaki ako na may confidence, na strong ako, alam kong maganda ako. And then, on high school po, nag-start na po ako mag-join ng pageant sa barangay. Kasi I started talaga sa baba. So, ayun, Lin Ay Song San Juan po yung first na pageant na sinalihan ko. And then, I won po, thankfully. And then, second pageant po is yung Pasigabong Queen 2024. Kasi pandemic hit. So, 3 years ako nag-stop. And then, after nun, yung Pasigabong Queen 2024. And then, I won din po the title. And then, after that is school pageants.
School pageants.
Yeah, school pageants. And then after that, Miss Universe po yung pinaka-recent ko na pageant na sinalihan last year po. And I was the 4th runner-up.
For the Negros Island region, no?
Yes, Negros Island.
And nabalitaan namin that your co-winners did compete sa national,
Yes,
no?
and I'm very proud of them po talaga. And alam mo, naging inspirasyon sila para sa akin kasi to go back in my pageant journey. Kasi ayun nga, sabi ko kanina, I was about to close my pageant life. Kasi ayoko nang ng problema pa ng ganon. So, especially financially. Kasi, yun nga din talaga yung mga mga problem sa pageant. It's very expensive. Yun. And, hindi siya madali. So, sabi ko, this is gonna be my last stop. And I'm gonna give my very best na talaga. So, that's why, talaga ako, prideful ako ngayon. And very eager din to win sa Miss Multicultural.
So, who's beauty queen you look up to? Who's your favorite beauty?
My favorite beauty queen po talaga si Pia Wirch. Kasi, di ba, nag-ano din siya ng parang 5 attempts din. Yun, and thinking about that, I was also disregarded for some pageants na nag-apply ako, nag-try ako and hindi po kasi siya madali na bigla-bigla ka lang i-accept. Especially with my height. Ganun po siya. So, parang si Miss Pia Wirch po nag-inspire sa akin to keep going in my pageant journey despite of any insecurities sa self ko. Actually, way back then sa year 2023, I struggled talaga with my mental health. Especially, I have self-doubts. Yun nga yung kanina. Self-insecurities to the point na I was looking through the mirror na sabi ko, ang taba-taba mo. Pangit-pangit mo, tapos magpa-pageant ka. Parang grabe naman yung guts mo. Yun yung times na parang wala na talaga akong hope sa sarili ko. And I was thinking about about ending my life. Yet, ayun nga, pumasok yung opportunities na yung mga friends ko din, yung families ko nag-suporta po talaga sa akin. Sila po yung nag-boost ng confidence ko na hindi, ganun ka, mag-work ka lang, mag-dream ka lang, ganyan. You're beautiful in your own way. And that is why pumasok ako sa world ulit ng pageantry, yung Pasigabong Queen. Yun, naging springboard po siya sa akin na magpatuloy. And right now, nandito ako ngayon. Very confident na rin sa aking journey po.
And which part of the competition are you most excited?
Sa Q&A.
Anyway, may national costume din ba dito?
Yes, may national costume
Oo.
po.
Can you give us clue or hint to sa national costume mo?
Yung national costume po, all I can say it's gonna be majestic. Yun po siya, and it's gonna showcase how beautiful our country is. Especially yung mga corals. Yun. Okay na po yun. Yan lang po muna yung masasabi ko.
Under this.
Will you be showcasing designers from Bacolod?
Yeah. I'm gonna be pwede
Or
mo
from...
sabihin?
Yes, of course.
It's gonna be po from Mabilimwal po.
Ayun.
How is your preparation?
Actually, yung preparation ko po is, I think, less than 1 month lang po siya. And then, I just started my work. Tapos nag-leave na kaagad ako. Pero thankful ako na pinayagan ako sa work. Yet, yung preparation ko po, pastorela, Q&A, and everything is, nagsasarili ko ako mag-training. Nagsosolo po ako kasi mahirap po kasi sa Palawan, umuwi ng Bacolod. So, actually ngayon okay na rin po siya. Like, I think I'm ready na rin.
Alright, so can you share us kung ano yung advocacy ng bagong
Ay.
pageant?
Sa yung...
Sa
Yung pageant, the pageant.
Your personal advocacy, if you have.
Yes, of course, I have my personal advocacy. My personal advocacy po is Yakap program. Yun po talaga yung advocacy ko mula noon po talaga. It was founded by my good friend, Sir Mark Sustiniani, the Hari ng Pilipinas 2022 po. We collaborated to empower and educate the people, especially the young minds. It's about the youth awareness and keeping them abreast for progress, where we encourage the people to engage in community initiatives po, like medical missions po, ayun, sports activities, ecotourism campaigns, multicultural activities where they can fulfill their talents and use their voices to create change in the society.
So how about dito sa multicultural? Ano yung parang pinaka-advocacy?
Yun po yung focus ko talaga, yung Yakap program po talaga. And if ever na manalo din, I'm planning to widen it na hindi lang youth yung focus ko. Kasi dito po sa Philippines, yun po talaga yung Yakap talaga yung focus ko. And then if mananalo rin po ako, I mean, kung mananalo man, hopefully, I will widen my advocacy po na through senior citizens, and then of course sa mga, kasi madami po kasi akong lola, 4 po sila, tapos 2 twins. Tapos may isa akong tawag dito, single na lola, parang gano'n. So, nakita ko sa kanila po yung love talaga ng mga Pinoy sa mga lola, tsaka lolo. Kaya gusto ko rin po i-showcase yun sa advocacy ko na mabigyan din po sila ng pansin. Yes.
Is this your first time to travel abroad?
What?
First time mo to travel abroad?
Yes, it's gonna be my first time. And actually po, yung passport ko, clean-notch ko lang siya. I just received my passport yesterday ba yun? Yesterday lang.
Wow, talagang umabot for the
Yes!
pageant.
Kaya nga po. Kasi mali yung yung birthday
Oh my
ko.
God!
So,
Buti
ayun.
naabot.
Kaya,
Sa Bacolod mo na-process.
sa Puerto,
Sa Puerto.
po, Palawan. Thankful din ako sa kanila kasi pina-urgent talaga nila.
Correct.
Thank you so much.
Have you researched about Hanoi or Vietnam,
Actually,
yung culture nila, the
nakikita
place?
ko lang yung videos online about sa Hanoi, Vietnam. And I think yung sabi doon, masarap daw yung coffee nila.
Yes.
Yung
Super
egg coffee ba
matapang.
yun? Kaya gusto ko rin i-try. Pero all about the place po, sabi ko sa sarili ko, surprise ko na lang yung sarili ko. Kasi para like, ayoko na siya
I-search pa. Oo, gusto mo na
gusto ko
lang
i-surprise yung sarili
experience
ko.
mo na lang.
Yes.
kumbaga.
I'll experience it myself.
Yes.
Ano yung reaction ng mga friends mo
Yes,
o
family.
candidates mo dun sa MUPH NIR nung nalaman nila?
Actually, to be honest, nagulat po sila. Sabi nila, totoo, mag-international ka po. Kaya, kahit ako po nagulat ako, na ako yung pinili. Na hinanpick po talaga ako ng local director po namin. Tsaka po yung ni Miss Cristel Bulabon po. And I'm beyond grateful po talaga.
With all your experiences, of course, sa recent pageant mo sa Miss Universe Philippines Bacolod, Red Cross ba?
Negros.
Yes, Negros.
And then your previous pageant. So ano yung lessons mo doon, learnings na gusto mong i-apply sa Miss Multicultural?
Actually, yung lesson po talaga na natutunan ko is to be patient. Especially sa time, tsaka yung efforts din ng lahat na dapat po mabigyan talaga na justice. Kaya gusto ko rin pong i-showcase po talaga sa Miss Multicultural World that I am authentic to myself. Tsaka patient ako sa time ko, and I don't wanna be, I wanna be someone talaga na mapakita ko talaga sa kanila how, what a Filipina is. Kung ano yung tradisyon natin, gayon. Kasi back then natutunan ko talaga yung beliefs natin, yung tradition, yung heritage, tsaka how historic talaga yung yung culture natin dito sa Pilipinas. Especially back sa Miss Universe, Negros Island, pumupunta po kasi kami sa iba't ibang lugar. For example, the ruins. The ruins po. Very historical po siya. And then, napag-aralan ko na yung isang place po pala, madami siyang, madami ka dong matutunan na, ng mga tradisyon nila noon, na ngayon nandito pa rin. Kaya gusto ko rin po siyang ma-showcase yun sa Miss Multicultural World. Yun po talaga yung goal.
And why should you be the very first Miss Multicultural Miss Multicultural World winner?
I should be the next Miss Multicultural World 2026 because I have this burning determination in my heart to really serve the people. And as your next Miss Multicultural World 2026, I will ensure that the voices of each and everyone here in the Philippines will not only be heard in Vietnam but in the whole world.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And sample naman ng introduction. Oo,
Okay.
pwede kang tumayo.
Okay po.
Oh, wait lang ha.
Nabubulol ako.
Hot water muna.
Water.
Tapos, black water.
Parang weird something.
First, money free. Drinks po.
Ay,
May 22 years old.
One free. Hindi ko maalam eh. Kung gusto niyo,
Name ano lang.
Carla Brasiganto, the Philippines, make that.
Sige.
Parang ano.
You're Miss Multicultural.
Oh, wala na. The Philippines. Ikin yung ano.
Kaya Kayla, yung name mo, tapos Miss Multi.
Ayun yung practicean ko.
Okay na lang, Miss Multicultural Philippines.
Malakay ha.
Okay.
Louder.
Okay. Go.
I am Carla Grace Della Giganto, your Miss Multicultural World, Philippines!
isa pa. Para may ano tayo. Go.
I am Carla Grace Della Giganto, your Miss Multicultural World, Philippines!
Yeah.